Hello everyone, this is G01 and in today's video we would be unboxing my silver play button. So yeah, but before we open this, I just want to talk about today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by Project Z. Project Z is a new social app for young people where users interact by groups or topics of interest. Live voice can be used to talk to everyone or just listen to others. Join role-playing games inside the chats. Watch parties, make new friends with the meet function. Personal blogs with the possibility of customization. Manage or participate in communities related to your interests. Project Z is available on both Android and iOS. Install now and use code GX when registering an account. Special thanks to Project Z for sponsoring this video. Those things are out of the way, let's go and finally unbox this play button. So yeah, wait. I just want to thank all of you guys for being there and supporting the channel. I wouldn't be here without you. So yeah, thank you so much. So let's remove this black foam. Wait, this aside. So yeah, this is the letter. You guys can pause this video to read it. So yeah, and this thing. Oh wait. So pause the video for a moment. I just want to explain that at the time of recording that video, it was very hot in my room, so that's why my thumb is wet. Yeah, it's like hot in my room at that time. So yeah, and by the way, you guys could probably hear some background noises. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, that's all. Back to the video. Oh wait. So yeah, here it is. Oh my gosh. It's kinda heavyweight. It's a bit hard to do this. To remove this thing from the plastic. We're only using one hand. Wait. So yeah, here it is. Oh, and there's this thing. At first I thought these are the wipes that you use to clean the play button, but no, it isn't. So I opened it. So yeah, it isn't. And this. So yeah. Now here is the play button. So yeah, thank you so much everyone for supporting the channel. I really appreciate you guys, all of you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. So yeah, this is gotta be a short video only since I don't really know what to do in this video. Just unbox this thing. So yeah, thanks for tuning in guys, and see you in our next video. Bye!